Okay, for this video, I'm going to have a link to a lecture by David Barton. David Barton is in this picture here. That's David Barton. He's a real smart, real good historian of United States history, the Founding Fathers, USA origins. In this lecture, he calls his lecture A Tale of Two Cities with regard to Plymouth Rock, where the Mayflower Pilgrims landed, the Mayflower Compact, all that, very biblical. And that sort of was northern United States Christianity of the East there. And then Jamestown was further south, and he talks about that led to the USA South and the problems of slavery. But Christianity eventually was able to put an end to all the slavery, and he said there was no slavery north initially because they were more biblical. He talked about the school system, and the kids in first and second grade had to memorize parts of the New Testament, the Psalms, and the Gospel according to John in particular, and how at a very young age the whole purpose of the school was so that people would learn how to read the Bible. And those kids were way more educated than the modern kids. Modern school just makes people stupid, causes dyslexia, all these other problems. Anyways, it's a good video. I think it's about an hour long. But if you want to understand more about the history, this is the best guy. I looked at a bunch of these. There's other people who've written great books about, Bill O'Reilly's partner guy wrote an excellent book about the origin founding fathers. And there's other people who've written books like that. But in terms of overall knowledge, this guy is a scholar of the subject, and he knows a lot, and he's good. So anyways, I'll have the link in the description below. Hope you find it helpful.